Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying the holiday season. For today's video, I'm gonna be testing out a bunch of new Makeup by Mario stuff that I hauled in my holiday Sephora haul. So if you want to know what I think about all of these products, then keep on watching. So I've already got my base down because I want to dive straight into these products. I've been wanting to test out this brand like all year, but I was waiting for the sale. So I'm gonna start off with his cream products. So I got his cream blush and also his cream bronzer. I have to say the packaging is really stunning on these. Like, it feels like such good quality, but I love the white and black. Like, it's so minimal but so, I don't know, it packs up punch, you know, it makes a statement. So I got the shade dark in his Sculpt stick, and the really cool thing is that it has a brush at the other end of it. To be honest, I can see this more of like a touch up and go kind of brush, not really to like actually blend it out. Now I'm just gonna stick to my regular brushes, but it could come in handy when you're on the go. So this is a shade dark. Now I wanted medium dark, but it was out of stock. So let me just start off with a little bit because these things seem to be pretty pigmented. I'm just taking my brush and blending upwards. Okay, yeah, I definitely applied a little too much. Oh boy. I think it's a pretty decent shade. Like, definitely medium dark would be perfect for me, but still not bad, you know. Hopefully when I get a little color back in my skin. I don't know if I go in beach. You all saw that they reopen beaches. Well, when I upload this video, that means tomorrow, which is Monday, beaches will be reopened. You all going? I'm still nervous. I don't know. I feel like also it'll have a lot of traffic. I don't know. But I'm glad for those who like really use the beach as therapy, like myself, but I'm not in any rush. So this is a close-up after blending for about 20 to 30 seconds. I think it looks really pretty and it blended so easily. By the way, my face doesn't have any powder products. It's just foundation and concealer. So I think it looks really cute. But he also said he found the best way to use his product is to actually take your brush and take it directly on the product, because when you do it the way I did, you can go a little crazy. So he recommended doing the brush application first. So let's see how that one works out. That was so much easier. Why don't we listen to people when they say how to use their products? Look at that. These are so smooth though. I must say the formula is nice. Like, these are so hyped up, especially on TikTok, where I'm just like, I don't know, boy. This thing had to be really good, but so far it blends really nice. I'm gonna do the same thing for my forehead, not a lot, and I'm blending that upward into my hairline. Gotta fake a tan, people, come on. But if y'all going beach, right, what beach y'all going first? I feel like most people would head to Maracas because it's like the popular beach. I honestly don't get why, but no tea, no shade. But I prefer Mayaro Beach, to be honest. Like, if I had to go, I would want to go Mayaro. I feel so chiseled. Am I Kim Kardashian? Yeah, no, just kidding. Okay, so far I'm really impressed with this Sculpt stick. That was a big hit. Now for the blush, this is in shade Soft Coral. This looks so pretty. You know what, let me listen and do it the way the man said to do it, because I could go a little crazy with blush, and I feel like I have been lately, which I don't mind. But right off the bat, the color is just so pretty. Like, I really don't play around with too much corals. I'm sure you'll get bored of me just always using some kind of pink or mauve shade. So I'm actually really happy to be using a coral blush today. Look at the cheeks. They're so juicy. And again, literally blended in seconds. Wow. So I'm going in on the next side. And I'm literally just blushing everywhere because I have a problem. Now that I look like a blushing baby, I'm gonna set my face with all of my powders and I'll come back to test out the powder products and the lipstick. Now that I've set my face, I'm gonna use his powder bronzer in the shade medium dark on this fan brush that I've been loving lately. I'm just gonna lightly bronze this skin and just kind of set where I lay down the cream bronzer. This is a really nice shade. For sure, if you are tan, get medium dark. This looks so warm and nice on the skin, but not warm to the point where it's kind of red, because you know some brands, like, they tend to think the warmer you are, the redder the bronzer should be. No, this has like the perfect amount of warmth in it, and it's blending so nice. I can't wait to try this like on bare skin and see how it looks. But so far, this is really pretty. I have to say I'm impressed. Not shocked though, because he is a professional makeup artist for like Kim K and I believe other celebrities as well, so the class and the quality is there for sure. Great product aside, I have to say this packaging is really bomb, because it has this soft magnetic closure that I really like, because sometimes I can be very rough when it comes to products and their packaging, and I can like slam compacts really hard. So I'm glad these are magnetic closures. That's a plus. Now the only blush shade I was able to grab is this one here called Wildberry. This is a powder blush, and I know it's mauve. It's not gonna match the coral cream that I have going on, which I really like, but I genuinely just want to test this formula and see what happens. So I'm just gonna go over top. Yeah, look at that. That is really pretty. I'm actually going in very light. There's no kickback in the pan at all. Yes, it does have a mirror. All of his compacts do, so that's cool. But oh my gosh, y'all, this thing's so smooth. It almost has like a blurring effect to the powder. Like, look how smooth my skin looks. And the powder that I set my face with is the Too Faced Peach Perfect, which is very smoothing, I must say. But this powder, even his cream products, I'm noticing that it's quite smoothing, so I like that. Yes, I still put blush on my nose, hush. Now for his ultra suede lipstick in the shade Jessie. Oh yeah, this is definitely a velvety soft matte. Doesn't have any fragrance. I mean, that is a pretty brown girl color for sure. You're gonna have to excuse this hair today because it is dirty and oily as hell. I need to wash it as soon as I'm done with this video. But in terms of my final thoughts for all of these Makeup by Mario products that I tried, I have to say I am really impressed by these products. Of course, they get an A+ review from me. If you have to try something from his brand, I highly recommend the cream products. They are so high quality yet easy to blend. They look so flattering on the skin. Like, it just looks so pretty. I didn't purchase any of his highlighters, so I did use a little bit of the Ofra highlighter there, but the skin itself looks so juicy. It looks plump. It's just a very good cream product, and I will highly recommend using the brush method on the product, just as I did on this side, because that is what he suggested, and it definitely worked out way better. It was way easier. I used less product and it just blended so much quicker. The cream blush stick is also phenomenal. I have to say I was really surprised that even though I set my face after with translucent powder, that coral color was still coming through. So these are highly pigmented, but not in a like offensive way or anything like that. It is so flattering on the skin. It's super pretty, and it's such a good formula. I honestly did not need to go over top with powder, but y'all know we extra and we needed to test the formula. In terms of the powder formulas, totally would recommend as well. Again, everything in this review was a hit. Like, I have no complaints. Everything just went on so smooth. It's honestly giving me like Charlotte Tilbury quality vibes. Like, the bronzer for sure is so smooth. Look at that. The shade medium dark is just perfect on brown skin. The blush, this Wildberry shade, y'all know I live for a good mauve shade, but it is so pretty. It was so easy to blend, like literally just whoop whoop, 2 swoops and you're done. As for his lipstick, I literally feel like there's nothing on my lips. It's so pigmented but not heavy on the lips at all. It is just very comfortable. I feel like it's flexible with my lips, like it just smooths out my lips. There's no cracking or anything. It's not a dry and matte formula at all. It is quite hydrating. It kind of reminds me of the new Bite Beauty soft matte lipsticks, which I'll post a YouTube short on tomorrow. So I would definitely recommend, if you want to get soft matte lipsticks, try this formula, because I believe this is also cheaper than the Bite Beauty one as well, and to me it's slightly more comfortable. The Bite Beauty one is just a little bit more thick compared to this one. It's much thinner and lightweight on the lips. And that brings me to the end of today's video. I do hope you guys like this Makeup by Mario review. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and also comment below what are your thoughts on Makeup by Mario's products. Have you tried any of his complexion? Let me know. And as always, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So much fun stuff to come, you guys, and I know y'all excited about the beach, but I am pleading with y'all, just like the Prime Minister, please be careful and responsible. You guys make sure and take care of yourselves. I will see y'all on Wednesday.